barber can't see this, you'll know that I cheated on him. If you're watching this, bro, I'm just doing this for a friend. It's a favor to a friend. Oh, you didn't even have to what kind of hairstyle?
We've not started yet now.
But you should know before we even start now.
Oh yeah, what kind of hairstyle do you want?
Thank you. The kind of hairstyle I want is...
Yo! Hello? Be serious, please.
Oh! See Baba. See Baba.
Yeah, what do you want?
Right here, level 4. And the rest of the hair, level 2.
And basics, we just have to...
What?
I say you should soften your hair.
But no, come on, it's soft. Do it again, trust me. My hair is soft, man. My bum hair, bro. Soft like a baby's bum. See, Baba, I've forgotten this.
Shut up,
That's it, this is your size. So cute.
Okay, baby. But they can't see what I'm doing though.
Let me laugh my laugh.
Not that low. Guys, look at how low it is. I can see some scalp.
Where is this? Is this it?
This is it too. Guys, the back is looking nice too. I'll show you in a sec. So I'm just going to use the number 4 to do this side. And then once we get to about like this part here, we're going to use... Oh, sorry, I'm using number 2 on this side. And when we get to this part, I'm going to use the number 4. Okay?
What was all this?
It's actual film. Yeah, turn this way. Alright guys, so this is before and this is the after. As you can see, we've thinned it out quite a lot. So guys, we're going lower. So what I'll do is I'll keep the 2 on, but I'll put the lever up.
Alright.
And then we'll see what it looks like.
Is this significantly obvious? Is it lower?
Nice even cuts. And then this part again, this around the ear area. But we're going lower. So we're going to cut this part shorter. Give them a little side view. So we're just going to fade this part out a little bit, going up and then smoothing out the top.
You're enjoying this.
Oh yes, and yes, we changed this from a 2 to a 1 guard, so we can get like a nice clean lower cut. Like this?
Yeah, that's good.
Change guards again, so we can do our fade. Okay. Alright guys, so we're done with the haircut part. I'm going to do the beard, shape the beard, and then we'll now do the lineup once we're done. The beard is a little dry.
I didn't just sweat for you.
It's a little dry. It's a little dry. But we can moisturize. We're taking off all of this and we're just going to do like a nice little, that's a little wrong way.
You said run.
A little streak. me when to stop. Yeah?
What do you mean tell you when? Can I see what you had? Stop making me laugh. Oh my god.
That's that for me. You know your hair doesn't like this is what I'm saying, like you know how the hair will come like this that you just and then like this is what I'm saying. But this is what I'm saying. Yeah, look at what we have so far.
No, let's not look at it yet, please. You should be giving us some action music.
As in, dun. Bruh, definitely. I seen that line up in the back. Ooh. I turn here. This way. Yay. I mean, not bad. Not bad at all. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Why are you laughing? What do you think, okay? How do you feel about your haircuts?
Thank God for life, man.
Look at us. Let us know.
Try. Kudos. Drop knuckle.
Hey. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I look young, bro.
Yeah.
I actually look so like I'm in primary 2.
When you shave the mustache.
As in, well, the beard lineup is nice though.
It's nice of you.
Well done.
Thanks so much.
Alright, let's get it.
Hello, hi. Just wanted to add that I'm now accepting bookings, $10. As you can see, the reviews are popping. They are banging. So yeah, thank you. Bye.